Hello, traders. I hope you are all doing fine, and I hope today you guys have made some profits. So let us first analyze the stocks which I've given yesterday. Okay, so and also I'll provide you the link of the yesterday's video so that for your learning purpose, I have given. I have told you the levels and also the chart patterns. Okay, so that it can help you in future if you find that kind of chart patterns, you can easily trade on that. So let us review yesterday's some of the stocks. Let's first review Just Dial. So what we spoke in Just Dial is simple. If it regains its 1111 position, 4 bull 1 position, then we're gonna go ahead and buy. Unfortunately, it doesn't happen. Stock falling down, was falling down, and we stopped. So as we said, we'll be shorting at 1102 level. So if you have shorted at 1102 level, you have reached our targets at somewhere around 115. So your our targets got hit at 115. Okay. So so for tomorrow, you have to see whether this trend line gets broken. If this trend line gets broken, so you can go ahead and buy the stock at 1081 level, and your targets will be 1107. The first targets, and second target will be 1137. Okay, so you have to keep an eye here if it gives a breakout at 1081 level. Okay, until that, don't go long in this. Okay, and if it starts falling again, wait for 1070.55 levels to be broken, so we can go ahead and short here again at 1070, and you can gain the targets of 1057. So let's go to the next stock, Antony Waste Holdings. So as I said, this is the bullish flag, and it gave a breakout at early morning. However, if you have waited with patience, it has again come to the level here. Okay, and again it gave a good momentum here. So now here I want to say one thing. If you see this Just Dial as well as Antony Waste Holding, I always keep on telling you that the targets which are given, it's like 3% or 4%, but you should concentrate, like you should be booking your 75% of profits at 2%. Okay, so now here what happened, we have bought somewhere around here, so you have got somewhere around 2.7% of the you know targets. My target was somewhere around 354, but it doesn't went there. Okay. So people will wait for the targets to get hit. However, they forget to book their profits. I always suggest, whenever this kind of thing happens, you just trail your stop loss somewhere around the profit area. So for example, you can trail your stop loss if you have if you have bought the share at 345 or 344 level. You just have to trail your stop loss till here, that is 350.80. Keep your stop loss at 350.80, and then you can trail. You can see whether the stock goes above or not. If it comes down, your stop loss will get hit and you'll end up in a profits. Okay, so from next time, please don't wait for the targets to get hit, because the targets which I provide are like 3%, 4%, which may or may not get hit. So take maximum profits at somewhere around 2.5% level, so that you will be end up in profits. Okay, don't wait for the stock to grab all the momentum on that. Okay, and for tomorrow, check whether this support line is defended or not. If it comes down here and takes a U-turn, you can again buy with the same targets of 354.95. If it crosses 342 level, we're gonna sell the stock, and your first targets will be 333. Okay, so ICICI Securities. So as I stated, the stock gave a breakout, And we know generally all the breakouts are fake. I mean 95% or 90% of the breakouts are fake. So I told you, go long only when, you know, it gives you good confirmation and good momentum. However, it didn't happen. The stock started falling, and I told you at 708 level we're going to be shorting this. And so we got our profits here, or our target was hit at 695 level. So and again the stock retraced back to 701 level. Tomorrow it's simple. If it crosses 695.70 level, we're gonna sell it again, and the targets will be 681. And if and I mean buying momentum, I don't see in this, because the stock has lost its momentum, and the structure has changed now. So again it will try to be in a channel pattern. So this is, it will come down till here. So it is forming lower lows and lower highs. So there is a bearish side in the stock. Okay, so these are the yesterday's stock, and you can track these stocks, these stocks as well for tomorrow as per the levels which I just spoke. And you can trade these three stocks as well. So overall, so tomorrow you'll be having 7 stocks to trade. So let us see tomorrow's stocks. Okay, let us see tomorrow's stocks which you can trade. So Shilpa Medicare. So Shilpa Medicare, I already spoke 2-3 days ago that it is forming somewhere around kind of a inverted head and shoulder, and it had already given a breakout. See this. However, today it got some momentum. Okay, and the stock rallied somewhere around 9%. Now tomorrow what we can do? Tomorrow simple. We have to see whether 605 level is getting broken. If 605 level is getting broken and the stock closes 5 minutes candle above this, we'll be going again and buying the stock, and the target is 619. If the stock reverses from here, okay, wait for 600 level to be broken, and you can go ahead and short 600 level. So you'll be getting targets around 585. Okay, this is the first support. Then if it goes beyond, so we will be getting 578 as our second targets. Okay, so this is a view on Shilpa Medicare. Okay, so the second stock is Mahindra Lifespace. Okay, so this is a kind of a same flag and pole pattern. Okay, so tomorrow what we can do, there is a no trading zone here. So this level 665.20 and 654, these two are the no trading levels. Okay, so if the stock remains range bound, we'll not be going to trade. If it crosses 665 level, we're gonna buy, and our targets it's 684.20. And if it crosses 654 level, we're gonna sell the stock. We're gonna sell at 652.10, and our targets will be 636.20, because the support is here. Okay, so this is also, you can keep an eye on the stock as well. Okay, so next stock is JK Tyre. JK Tyre, if you go, if you see here, so it's kind of forming a symmetrical triangle, and the range has become again narrow, and also this has given a breakout. Now tomorrow what we can do, there is a no trading zone in this. Okay, so there is a no trading zone. One second. Okay, no trading zone is somewhere around 142.50 and 144.05. Okay, so tomorrow what you have to do is, you have to buy when if it crosses 14405 level. Okay, if it crosses 14405 level, we're gonna buy, and our first target is 147. Okay, if it breaks 142.50 level, we're gonna sell and the first targets, somewhere around 141. So yeah, because multiple supports are there at 141.25, and the next target is 140.30. So keep an eye on this as well. The last stock for the day is Shobha Limited. If you see, there is a trend line which was it was respecting this trend line, and today it kind of broken this trend line over. It took support here and it's trying to regain. So tomorrow, if it regains, or if it crosses 574.80, we're gonna buy the stock. The next target is 592.90. And if this line, so no trading, mark the no trading zone is 574.80 and 562.40. So these both are no trading levels for us. Okay, so if it crosses 562.40, we're gonna sell the stock, and our targets is 548.75. Okay, so you can keep an eye on this as well. So tomorrow it might recaptures this this trend line and will give a good breakout on the upper side. If it not the case, it will give a fake breakout and it reverses back. And if this comes down and breaks 562 level, we're gonna sell that. Okay, so I hope you have got the levels and as well as patterns in this. So I hope you are liking my content. So please do like and subscribe, and share with your friends, and help us grow. I'll provide you good quality stocks every day, every trading session. Thank you so much for all the support. I wish you all the best for tomorrow's trading session as well. uh, Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.